Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is exercise number 20 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, September 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable Mr. Vice Chairman, I would like to submit that the sixth schedule to the Constitution Amendment Bill 1988 will curb the powers of the autonomous district councils. With the adoption of the bill, the undesirable interference of the state government with the functionings of the councils will increase. This bill will make the autonomous district councils puppets in the hands of the state government, and as a result of which the objective with which the autonomous district councils were constituted will be frustrated. Therefore, I oppose this bill tooth and nail. Sir, the demands of the district councils in the northeastern regions are for more powers. It is a fact that the district councils held meetings for more powers. They submitted a memorandum to the central government for the same purpose. They wanted that in their daily work and in their developmental works, the state governments should not interfere. They feel that interference from the state government will hamper the developmental works within their respective jurisdictions. The idea was that the autonomous district councils should get all opportunities to function independently on the basis of their allotted powers. I shall show how this bill curbs the powers of the autonomous district councils. Even in day-to-day matter within the jurisdiction of an autonomous district council, the council of ministers of a state is interfering. Under paragraph 1 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution, the autonomous district councils are empowered to reconstitute their respective areas. A council can exclude an area from its jurisdiction where the tribals are in minority and instead include a neighboring area where the tribals are in majority. It is also provided for in the said provisions of the sixth schedule that the governors shall approve the redetermination of areas by the councils. Under the present bill, the governors will have to consult their respective council of ministers when areas will be redetermined by the councils. It means the state governments have been empowered to interfere with the reconstitution of the district councils. Again, under the existing sixth schedule, the governors are empowered to nominate 4 members to the autonomous district councils, but now, under the present bill, the governors will be forced to consult the Council of Ministers while nominating 4 members to the said councils. The district council is empowered to make rules for the conduct of its business. Under paragraph 4 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution, a regional council or district council shall have power to make rules regulating the constitution of village councils and courts with the previous approval of the governor. They will also have power to make rules regulating the procedure to be followed by village councils or courts in the trial of suits and cases with the previous approval of the governor. But now, under the present bill, the governor will be compelled to take the advice of the Council of Ministers in such matters. Consequently, the regional council or the district council will have to remain at the mercy of the state government even for laying sown procedures for the conduct of its business. Under paragraph 6 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution, the district council can establish primary schools. Under the same paragraph, the district council can prescribe the language in which the education is to be imparted to primary students. Again, under the same paragraph, the district council can construct dispensaries, markets, and roads, and can manage ferries, fisheries, and waterways. The district council can make regulations for the regulation and control of all these activities with the approval of the governor. But now, under the present bill, the governor will have to take the approval of the Council of Ministers while approving of the regulations made by the district council. Consequently, the state government has been empowered to interfere with the development work of the district council. Under paragraph 9 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution, if any dispute arises over the share of royalties for exploitation of mineral resources between the state government and the district council, the dispute shall be referred to the governor and his decision thereon shall be final. But under the present bill, the decision of the state government in such a matter shall be final, and in this manner the district council will be deprived of its due share of royalty. The present bill seeks to give more powers to the state government to interfere with the discretionary powers of the governor. At the same time, all democratic norms are being flouted to curb the powers of the district council by the Council of Ministers. Under paragraph 15 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution, the governor can annul a legislation of the district council with the approval of the state legislature if it is likely to endanger the safety of India or is likely to be prejudicial to public order. But now, under the present bill, the governor will not be required to take approval of the state legislature.